Your company is growing, and over the years, you've implemented technology to keep up with demand. PLMs, ERPs, CRMs, and design tools all working independently. With each expansion, the challenge of coordinating all of these systems grows more complex. Eventually, you're managing these systems instead of your business, and keeping pace with your own processes seems out of reach. Tristar is a technology integrator. We bring your initiatives, design, manufacturing, and enterprise data together into a single tailored solution. It all starts with our holistic approach. At Tristar, we design and customize solution architecture that is unique to your company to save you money, build products faster, and bring your product to market more efficiently. Our team of experts share over 300 years of experience in streamlining the management of product life cycles, creating solutions designed to help you work smarter. Tristar has been the leader in PLM deployment and management for more than 20 years. From designing products on the front end to servicing and streamlining on the tail end, and every step in between, Tristar allows you to share information through the entire product development process. Improve communications and processes, get access to critical content across your entire production cycle, reduce product costs, and increase profits. Tristar. Connect, automate, and simplify your business ecosystem. Visit tristar.com for more information.